Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, for this episode of Drive Time, we have a 2017 Lapis Blue STI. Beautiful car. Huge thanks to Jay for letting me take the car out for a spin and seeing how this car performs. For the outside mods, basically what we have on here are Avid one wheels. I don't know the exact model of these, but you guys can see. I'm sure you guys can look them up on their website or what have you. Looks like we got Dunlop winter tires as well. Some mud flaps installed. Let's see what kind of mud flaps we got here. RB, perhaps. I'm not really sure what kind of mud flaps we got. I don't think they are aftermarket, or I'm sorry, I don't think they are factory, but that's pretty much the car here on the outside. So let's go ahead and take it for a spin. Beautiful interior on the inside here. Steering wheel is nice and small, and you know, it's got a nice flat bottom here. Beautiful shift knob. I don't know if this is Anarchy or not, but it's got that Captain America symbol. Here we just have basic cup holders. We got the center differential control. This is an aftermarket head unit he was mentioning, and we have up there the boost gauge. Nice soft touch leather on the whole car, gloss black trim, and standard window controls, standard steering wheel controls. That's carbon fiber along the dash there. Jay, thanks so much for allowing me to test drive the STI.
No problem.
So, what's done to the car? I'm sure people want to know what kind of mods you got done here.
Sure. Not too much on the cosmetic sides at all. Just got a flex fuel tune. Okay. And it's got equal length headers and a muffler lead. It also has a external wastegate,
which sounds very nice. What kind of are you tuned? Are you pro tuned?
Yes, I actually just got it finished pro tuned this week. Couldn't quite get E85, so I had E60, and it was hitting about 335 wheel and 385 wheel on E60.
Wow, very nice.
According to the tuner, should be about over 350 and over 400 wheel torque afterwards.
Okay. Now, do you run this tune throughout the whole entire year, the winter and summer, or?
I probably will be. Just the past few days running on whatever ethanol I can find, it's been quite a blast.
Awesome.
Obviously I'll have, since it's flex fuel, I can run 93 if I ever need to, but I don't know if I ever will now.
Yeah, I went to 93 on my car, and it's horrible. I don't like the power compared to the E30.
Yeah,
but
it's addicting.
Yeah, it is. This thing screams. What kind of wastegate you got on there?
It's a 38mm tile wastegate.
Okay.
It seems to go off at about 12 pounds.
Jeez. Yeah, it sounds very nice. I like that.
Thanks.
Kind of similar to the cutout that I got, because that screams as well, but I love the external wastegates. They're so much nicer.
You certainly have to be on your toes about who's around you when you let it off.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Let's make a turn here.
Knob, of course.
What kind of knob is this?
It's Anarchy Motive.
Thought it was an Anarchy, I just wasn't too sure on that.
Actually, it was on my Focus before, and luckily it's the same thread pitch, so I just moved it.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Nice. That's good to know. aftermarket intake?
Oh yes, I forgot to mention I do have a
Thought so.
cob intake, and I don't think I mentioned I also have obviously a downpipe with this.
Catless or no?
It's catted.
Okay.
Honestly, I should have just gone catless, but I was not expecting to go the route that I did. So I got a catted downpipe several months ago. I got that installed.
Gotcha.
And now it's kind of like, well, it's ironic because I have an external wastegate.
Sounds really nice. I notice I don't have to rev match as high as I'm used to in the ST.
As far as E is concerned, from what I've been told, is that you're going to get roughly 20-25% less miles per gallon. But considering the way I had been driving it so far, I like,
Yeah.
whatever.
Thanks guys for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button for me. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. And if you have any questions for Jay here, go ahead and drop them in the comments down below, and I will do my best to bug him so we can answer them. Thanks guys for watching. I appreciate it. Have a good day.